Kari Lake, one of her lawyers, and another failed Republican candidate by the name of Mark Finchem, who unsuccessfully ran for Arizona's Secretary of State in the 2022 election, they have all been hit with a combined $122,000 sanction from courts in Arizona for filing knowingly frivolous and fictitious lawsuits seeking to overturn the election results. Now, what's interesting about this is one of the lawyers who got hit with these sanctions happens to be Alan Dershowitz. Now, Dershowitz did not actually represent Kari Lake in any of the proceedings, according to Dershowitz. Now, he actually was present via video conference for some of the hearings that they had. But he argued in front of the judge, like, Judge, I wasn't a part of this. And the judge was like, okay, but you were in video on the hearing, like you were technically with us. Yeah, but I wasn't a part of it. Okay, yeah, but your signature is also like on some of the court filings. And Dershowitz was like, yeah, but whatever. Dershowitz had argued to the judge that, listen, all I did was give some constitutional advice to Kari Lake's lawyers. I didn't even interact with her. I was interacting with the lawyers because they had questions for me, and I answered their questions. The judge said, fair enough, I'm going to reduce your sanction, but I'm not going to do away with it because you were still involved in this and you should have known that all of this was fictitious. Now, here's what drives me crazy about this entire story. Kari Lake was given opportunity after opportunity after opportunity by the conservative court system in the state of Arizona to prove her claims. She was given second, third, and fourth chances even after the courts told her everything you're saying is false. Like the Arizona State Supreme Court had told Kari Lake months ago, listen, you haven't proven anything you've said. Your own witnesses have basically destroyed your arguments. Everything you're saying is fake. But we're going to let you do it one more time. It's back to the lower court. They have to rehear it. And even that judge in the preliminary hearings said, everything you're saying is a lie, but I'm going to go forward with the hearings anyway. So this court system kept telling Kari Lake, you're lying, but do it again because we kind of like it. Like, that's what's driving me crazy. The court system should have put an end to this months ago, but they kept saying, you're a damn liar, but let's roll it back one more time just, for the fun of it, I guess. But now she's been hit with the sanctions, and you know how she's responded? Well, she's filed another lawsuit challenging the 2022 gubernatorial results in Arizona. Like, she's not learning. I mean, you're going to have to come at her with sanctions well over $122,000, which she doesn't even pay the full amount. It's kind of split between all parties involved. You're going to have to sanction her personally $500,000, maybe $1 million. Unless, for some reason, the judges throughout the court system in Arizona seem to like it, which based on their rulings, again, where they're like, nope, you're a liar, but let's do it one more time. Maybe they do enjoy it. Maybe they're gluttons for punishment. Maybe they're getting a kick out of this and they're going to talk about it at the Christmas party at the end of the year. I don't know what's going on in the Arizona court system. All I can tell you is that nobody seems to know what the hell they're doing. If you want to put an end to it, courts, you have the authority to do it. But slapping her with a couple $10,000 in sanctions, she can pull that out of her campaign funds and move on and have a lovely day. If you want this to be meaningful, if you want it to stop, if you want the lies to come to an end, you're gonna have to get tough and hit her for an amount of money she won't soon forget. Thanks for watching, everyone, and well, here comes the awkward part at the end of the video where I ask you to like, comment, and share, and subscribe for more content from Ring of Fire. Also, you should consider becoming a member for some exclusive content and perks, including early access videos and exclusive videos. Check out the link in the description.